In this video, I am going to show you how you can see the Word document file in multiple pages. So this is one of the sample Word document, and here you see it is showing multiple pages altogether. Generally, Word shows only one page. So let's see how we can do this thing. This is the default view of Microsoft Word, and here there are a couple of pages are there. Right now it has like 4 or 5 pages are there, so 5 pages are there. So we want to see it multiple pages. To see that multiple pages, at first we need to come to the view tab. So I'm going to click view, and it will be showing like this. From here, one of the option is multiple pages. This is located under zoom section, zoom window, this section, zoom then window, this thing. So under the zoom, basically you will see multiple pages. Just click here and your Word document will be visible in multiple pages. So now it is showing like this way. See here, it is showing multiple pages. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily view the Word document file into multiple pages. Thank you guys for watching the video.